Live scallops. Have you had much experience with them? What's your opinion on scallops in general? Today, we're going to quickly open and show you how easy it is to work with fresh East Coast sand scallops. Take a look at these beautiful mid-sized shells, absolutely stunning. I can't wait to try them. Let's dive in. We use a sharp, thin knife to make a quick cut and open the shell easily. I really like to clean the scallop right inside the shell. It looks beautiful and keeps everything neat and natural. You can actually use all parts of the scallop. Don't waste anything. My favorite way is to eat the sweet middle part raw, fresh, tender, and full of pure ocean flavor. I recommend not rinsing the middle muscle to preserve its delicate taste. The rest, the frill and side parts, should be rinsed carefully because they can sometimes hold a little sand. You can then fry the rinsed parts quickly in butter and serve them with pasta or vegetables for an amazing, flavorful dish. Fresh scallops like these offer so many simple, delicious possibilities. If you don't like raw seafood, no problem. You can bake the scallop right in its shell or cook it any way you like. The shell even makes a beautiful natural plate for serving. Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite way to cook scallops? We'd love for you to share your recipes with us. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.